In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to adjust Ray-Ban nose pad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Depending on how the nose pad is angled or set up, it can hurt you. So by adjusting it, you will get a more comfortable and snug fit, allowing you to wear your glasses without any problems. So first, if you have the wired frames, this is going to be the main way of adjusting these nose pads. So all that you have to do is grip firmly onto the frames. Make sure that you are holding your glasses firmly, and then you can move the nose pads, including this metal part, around. So just grip them tightly while still holding the frame and twist them into position. You don't have to do a lot of adjustments, just slowly move them into place, upwards or downwards, whatever you prefer. So, using your fingers, gently twist or bend the nose pads. And of course, you can do this with both nose pads. So, they should have this very adjustable tiny metal rod, and you can place it in a more comfortable position. To make the glasses sit higher on your nose, gently push the nose pads inwards, and to make them sit lower, gently pull them outwards. Make small adjustments and try to see if they fit. If your glasses are still standing, you might also need to gently bend the temple arms to better fit behind your ears. Now, if you have a plastic frame like this, then it is going to be a lot more difficult. Because of the way these glasses are made, you won't be able to easily shift the nose pads around. So in this case, the best course of action would be to warm the plastic and gently mold. You should be extremely careful, always apply gentle pressure, and only heat them up a little bit. These frames are not designed to have adjustable nose pads, so sadly, if you have one of these, it is going to be way more difficult, but you can try with the method of warming the plastic and then gently bending them into place. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Ray-Ban nose pads. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.